Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Quite a change from maybe what you saw here a second ago. But what we want to talk about, I'm one of the owners here at Jeepsterman. We do work on these vehicles. We have the know-how, the knowledge, all the technical support on these things. We own these vehicles. We have station wagons, flat fenders, Jeepster Commandos, all of them. So we install these parts as well. Even our staff, we try to show them stuff when we have these things on the lift, show them some of the different products we put on there. You'll also notice about Jeepsterman, there are certain products that we don't carry or don't market because they just don't fit the way that they should. So if there's a product that's out there and we test it and we're like, hey, this product doesn't fit, we don't sell it, or we sell another brand. So we just want customers to know that we're there with you doing this sort of stuff. I've been working on these since I was 10 years old, maybe longer. I'm 40 now, so been working on these for 30 something years, learned from my father, working on these, some other friends and such. And we're in this with you. So if you got questions, concerns, we can help you with whether it's just a build you're doing or a restoration, or you just have questions, hopefully we can help you. You can come to our site, which is thejeepsterman.com, sales@thejeepsterman.com. We also have a YouTube channel where we're constantly putting videos on there and how to, and we're trying to show you guys how to do these installs and do these fixes on your own right there in your shop. You can also call us on the phone, which is 314-798-6462. And we just thank you guys for supporting our business, and we hope we can help you. Thanks.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.